What up, guys? Gadget Pino here, and today we're going to talk about the new Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. This is the new phone just released 2 weeks ago from Samsung, and we're going to talk about the 5 common problems with this phone. And you might face these issues after buying it, which could be frustrating. And maybe this will help you to decide if it is the right phone for you. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first issue that we discuss is it takes a lot of process to capture images. So the Samsung Galaxy A16 comes with a 50 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 2 megapixel macro camera, and a 13 megapixel selfie camera. So this phone offers a good image quality overall. However, the phone lies in the time that it takes time to process a photo after you press the shutter button. When you capture an image, the phone doesn't instantly save it. Instead, there's a noticeable delay before this photo is fully processed and ready to view. This means if you are trying to take multiple pictures quickly or capture something in real time, you might miss the moment because the camera is still working on a previous photo. This delay could be the phone feels slower, especially for users who prioritize fast photography. So the second issue is that you won't get 90 hertz support for games. If you're planning to buy this phone for gaming, it works well for basic or casual game. However, if you're into playing high performance games like PUBG or BGMI, you may face some issues. This phone doesn't support 90 frames per second, which is at a higher frame rate needed for smooth and fast gaming. Without this support, the graphics may appear blurry and the gameplay may feel choppy or laggy because the frames take longer to load. This can be frustrating for gamers who are used to smooth, high quality visuals and responsive gameplay. Essentially, this phone is not built to handle demands or any heavy and high-end gaming. So let's go to the third issue of this phone. You don't get any charging adapter with your new phone. When you purchase the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, you will notice one significant issue right outside the box. It doesn't not come with a charging adapter. After spending your hard-earned money on this phone, you might feel disappointed when you realize that the package only includes a USB charging cable and no actual adapter at all. Although the phone supports 25 watts fast charging, you will need to buy a separate adapter to take advantages of this feature. Using an old charger you already have at home might seem like a cheaper solution, but this could be damage the phone's battery or reduce its lifespan significantly. Original fast charging adapters are designed to work optimally with the phone's battery, but they can be expensive. Adding to your total cost after buying the phone, this is something to consider if you're looking for a complete hassle free purchase. Now let's go to the fourth issue of this phone. The fourth issue of this phone is it uses a U-shaped display instead of punch hole display. So the Samsung Galaxy A16 comes with a U-shaped display, which is more outdated design compared to what is commonly seen in other smartphones within this same price range. So many modern phone in this budget category now features a punch hole display where the front camera is seamlessly integrated into a small hole in the screen. This design allows for more modern and premium look with a larger and uninterrupted viewing area. In the contrast, the U-shaped display on the Galaxy A16 has a noticeable notch at the top of the screen where the front camera is located. This design not only looks less sleek, but also slightly reduces the unusable screen space. Considering the advancement in the display technology and the fact that many competitors offers better design at similar prices, this feels like a step backward for Samsung. For buyers who prioritize a stylish and modern looking phone, this could be a disappointing. And now let's go to the last issue of this phone. It doesn't have support a 3.5 millimeter audio jack. Firstly, the phone doesn't have a 3.5 millimeter audio jack, which means that you won't be able to use the traditional wired headphone directly, and this can be a major downside for a music lover or anyone who prefer wired audio devices for their quality and convenience. Instead, you'll need to rely on the wireless headphones or purchase an adapter, which can be an added expenses and inconvenience. And secondly, the phone doesn't include the FM radio support, which may disappoint users who enjoy listening to music or listening to a local news or entertainment on the go. While this may seem like minor features, many users in the mid-range phone market expect the basic amenities like FM radios, right? So especially when it's widely available in other phones in this segment. And I hope this helps you to decide if this phone is right for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you again for the next video. Peace out, everybody.